Hey guys, welcome back to Civil Stuff by JP. So throughout the engineering life, we've been using this concept pi. So what actually this pi is? Let's see. So the pi is the 16th Greek alphabet, as you can see on the screen. So later we used Google Translate and we entered perimeter. So we got the first letter as pi. Then we entered periphery. Again we got the first letter as pi. Later we entered circumference. Again the same, we got the first letter as pi. So that defines that there's some relation between pi and circumference or perimeter. So let's see how it is. So let's consider one circle with radius 3 centimeter. So let's draw the circle having 3 centimeter radius. So now we have to calculate the perimeter, which is nothing but the length around the circle, so which we call as circumference as well. We can calculate the perimeter by using a rope or a thread. So if we calculate the perimeter or circumference of the circle, we will get the answer as 18.85 centimeters. So next we'll find the diameter. So the diameter is nothing but twice the radius. So the diameter will be equal to 2 multiplied by 3, that is nothing but 6 centimeters. Now let's consider another circle with radius 4 centimeters. So let's draw the circle. The circle will be slightly bigger than the first one. Again calculate the perimeter or circumference of this radius. So we will get the perimeter or the circumference of our second circle as 25.1 centimeters. So now let's calculate the diameter. So the diameter of the second circle will be twice the radius, that is 2 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 8 centimeters. So now let's calculate the ratios of the circumference and diameter of each circle. So the ratio of circumference to the diameter will be equal to 18.85 divided by 6, which will be approximately 3.14. So now we will calculate the ratio of circumference to diameter for the second circle. So the ratio will be 25.1 divided by 8, which we will get as approximately 3.14 centimeter. So if we see, the circumference to diameter ratio is constant, which is 3.14. So this constant is nothing but called as pi.